What we have learned up until now? Well, there are many things we have learned about the class, about the OOP, object oriented program. Well, this is also the same thing which we just, well, have the name of them. You should know each and everything. Well, for example, we have the class, name of the class. Here will be the name of the class. And here we have class attributes like membership, which I had talked about, the value. Well, any value we can add. Well, after that, we have this dunder method. Well, this constructor method. The constructor method will have parameters like param1, param2, any kind, param3, 4, 5. Well, goes on. And we have this method after that, any kind of method, 2, 3, 4, 5, any methods. Like, for example, one method like run, the second method like shout, and the third, the same thing will goes on. We have methods, different methods. And after that, we have class methods. And this class method will have this, well, class parameters and parameters again. The static methods will the same thing. Well, after this, we have the code here. What we have to run, or what, well, instruction we just want to have it here. And here static method. Well, every instruction we can have it here. Well, here parameter. The only difference between class method and static method, which I have talked about, which I've explained everything, well, access to this class. This static method doesn't need access to this class, and the class method will has this here. So these are the things which you have to know line by line. Doesn't need you have to memorize everything. You just to know how it works. You just to know what comes after what. So, well, this class works very, very important role, or plays an important role in any programming language, specifically in object oriented programming language. You have to learn this, and you can code, and you can understand the problem exactly, how to solve a problem, how to just, well, find a solution for that, how to know what kind of solution will work for that, and how to know what exactly it does, what exactly it solves the, well, issue in which way. So these are the things which you have to learn.